Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today I'm going to give you tips for paradas.
And also for the leaders, how to lead that.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work right away.
Okay, here we are. First move is a side step. In this case, we are using a low voleo to concentrate on paradas, lifting, crossing, waiting for the leader, going in front, and resolve with the rock step so we can keep the line of dance to cierre or resolution. Tip for the followers, very important to do this. After the side step, we have the low voleo. Be sure to make it really deep. And pivoting on the right foot, I feel all the way the parada position because his leg is on my way. This is the stop, parada. If you notice, I'm extending the left leg. So I'm not rushing this moment and I'm trying to go to my feet together to cross on top of his foot. No, waiting for the leader to lift. When he lifts, I go to the cross. My cruzada, I'm crossing on my own leg, not trying to go on top of his foot until he lowers and he's inviting me to go front. If you notice the way I answer to this, I'm going around his foot, creating a little circle, nice embellishment, and then going on top of my leg, extending, lifting, going up, 2 feet together, and connect with the leader for, in this case, we have a rock step so we can go back to the line of dance and resolve. So very important tip for the followers is not to just do the parada so they can see this, not to rush to this moment. That's the most important thing we try to teach today for you to look better, nicer styling, and connecting with the leader and give the leader the opportunity to lead and extension and waiting. Now, it's not wrong to cross on top. It's not wrong. I'm just giving another option, which is to go around. Okay, this is the most important tip for today. Going around. If you have time, you can do embellishment here before going to the position.
Yeah. So the other thing I would like to, first I will mention something for the leaders and then I will say something also for the followers. Side step 1, leaders, the way that I encounter myself to lead a nicer, give her timing for the parada is doing a low voleo. And low voleo, put weight on your right leg. Don't rush. At this moment, don't rush. So you have a ton of time to present your leg and she doesn't hit you with her knee like, puff, ouch. Sometimes that happens. So if that happens, give her time. Lifting 1. Now, if you notice, I'm putting body weight on both legs at this moment, just to bring her leg to the other side. Don't do this. Lifting from the arms. My rib cage are going along with my legs, lifting, and then I'm coming back, lowering to the back leg. When I put weight on this one, doesn't mean she's putting weight on it. Like at the same time, I don't have to rush her to do this. Tuck with me, yes? When I put weight on the back, it's just for the extension. We can stop here. From there, from that little pause, then we can keep pulling and going around and exchange places, lifting her. And since I'm not in the line of dance, we can do a rebound and come back to it. Pam, pam, and then you just keep walking, navigating without crashing with anyone at the milonga. So, and the other thing I was mentioning for the followers, I would like to mention is when you do the parada, don't do the gancho right after. Please, por favor.
You want to say that?
Yeah,
really?
I always wanted to say that.
You were waiting for the moment.
When I go to the milongas and dance with different followers, I experience that 80% of the time I do a parada. And like this, and all of a sudden I just give time, boom, gancho. Oh, and sometimes we're not ready. And I've been talking to guys, and most of the guys are experiencing the same thing. So followers, if you don't feel a very specific lead for a gancho, don't do it. Don't do it, por favor. Yes, you may hurt your partner.
Could we tell them about the tango clothes we have? Tango Dapper and Splendida.
You can tell by the banners already.
This is Splendida, one of the skirts. We have different sizes, different styles and colors and models. And
for me, we are using tango pants from Tango Dapper. This is our online. You will see the label here on the back. Yes, and we've been using it for milongas, for shows. We also have suits. She has tops. You will find everything on our website, miriamleonardotango.com.
okay, now for today, see you on the next video.
Bye.